Hi guys! Welcome back to our next video. Today we are making some creamy lemon salmon. Hallelujah!
It's salmon night.
Look, I got it. Look, can you see? Look.
On my board, I have some fresh garlic. I have some parsley. I have some onion. I have some evercream, some complete season, some black pepper, some all-purpose season, some butter, some lemon. Yeah, we have all these goodies on the table because we just did a Facebook live. That is the reason why the table is looking like that. But if you go over to our Facebook page, you will see the live show that we did with this video. So here, as you can see, I have some avocado and coconut oil. I just add it to the pot, about a teaspoon, and I'm placing my salmon. I season my salmon with the complete season, the all-purpose season, and some black pepper. I did it before I come on to this because I did it when I seasoned it when I was doing the live, the Facebook live. So that is the reason why you guys didn't see I season it now. But yes, those are my favorite season. I use all the time. So I put it on it. So I'm just leaving the salmon to sear. So as you can see around the edge, you can see it start to lift, and I know, okay, it's time to flip my salmon. So I'm just using my spatula to flip my salmon over. Look how pretty that is. Look how delicious that look already, and it's not even finished. So just imagine when the salmon finish, the taste, the flavor you will get inside your mouth. So because I'm making lemon butter salmon with cream sauce, I'm adding my butter to the pot. So in this pot we have avocado oil, we have coconut oil, and we have some butter. Yes, butter make everything good, right? Very good, Shackema, very good. Yes, I'm so excited for this dish. So you can see I'm shaking my pot because, you know, I want all that flavors round and about it in the pot. You know, you're making a merry like Merry Christmas dish. Yes, that's the way how I was feeling. I was feeling excited and happy, and I love when I'm cooking and I'm feeling so excited. Yes. And as you can see, I flip back my salmon. Now I'm just going to remove it from the pot to place it on a plate and put it aside. Inside this delicious pot here with all this deliciousness in the bottom, I'm going to add my garlic, my onion to the pot, and I'm going to saute them, not too much, just saute them a little bit. Yes, use that wooden spoon and spin it up, and look, as you can see, like the garlic, it can kind of changing its color a little bit, and the onion, yes, that is the way how you want it. That is the way how we roll at Shackema at home. Yeah, very good. I like to build flavors, and this is like you're building your flavor. As you can see, I'm not adding any seasoning to this dish because the salmon already is well seasoned. When I tell you it's well seasoned, it's well seasoned. And because we already saute the salmon inside the pot, all the season it already is inside it. So as you can see now, I'm zesting about a teaspoon of lemon zest straight inside this pot, and look, it just falling down on the pot bottom right in there. I'm just going to take off the little extra from the back and drop it right inside the pot with the onion and the garlic. Yes, stir that up. You should just smell the flavor that coming from the garlic, the onion, and the lemon zest. So now I'm just adding some heavy cream to the pot. Yes, I'm adding some heavy cream. If you want to use wine, you can use wine. If you don't want to use no heavy cream, it's optional. You do it the way how you want it, because a lot of people don't like the cream, but you can skip the cream and just to use the avocado and the coconut oil and the lemon juice with the lemon zest, and you're good to go, believe you me, with a little piece of butter, and that's it. But because I like to be extra, I had in some heavy cream to it for the body, for the flavor, for the taste. Yes, I add some. So as you can see now, what I'm going to do right about now here in this pot, I'm going to squeeze half of a lemon, because it's lemon butter salmon, half of a lemon inside, a lemon juice inside this pot, and stir it up, because it cannot be too much lemon, because you want to taste that lemon flavor inside your fish, inside your sauce. So as you can see, it reducing a little bit. I just grab me some fresh parsley that have chopped it up, and I just add it to the pot. Now I take back my salmon that I did place aside, and I add it inside the pot, and I scrape all that juice from the salmon that leave on top of the plate inside my sauce, and I'm just stirring it around, trying to get the cream with the lemon on top of it, sauteing it in it, and I'm just going to leave that for like 4 minutes to just steam down. That's what you would say, steam down or reduce down or cook through, anything you want to say. You see it, because you doing your thing. And then I'm just going to slice me 2 slices of lemon. Yeah girl, slice up yourself 2 slices of lemon and add that to your pot. Flavors can down inside this pot. Flavors, when I tell you about flavors, it's flavor city in this pot. Yes, so as you can see, it's finished now. And before I have a separation, let me turn off this heat and let me plate up the salmon. Very good, Shackema, very good. This is the time when I sing inside my kitchen. I sing about the glory of Jesus, because cooking food and delicious food, it just get me so excited. It just let me feel like it's just a good feeling. I don't know how to explain this feeling I feel whenever time I cook, but oh my God, this is a good dish. And I just take the sauce and I just spread it all over that salmon. Put your sauce, put as much as you want, just pour it over your salmon. Chop up yourself some more fresh parsley. Yeah, clean your dish too, and then you had that fresh parsley to the salmon to brighten up your plate. Yes, I love me some good parsley. Yes guys, this is the dish and it's finished now. Remember to like, to share, to tell a friend, to hit that notification bell, and remember to put God first in everything you do. And we're out guys, and remember, God is love.